how to switch between light and dark mode on Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to switch between light and dark mode and change the appearance of your Reddit app? Then let's dive right in. Open up the app and then go to your profile in the bottom right corner and then tap on the three lines in the top right. Now go to settings and then scroll down. Now you can see the dark mode option. You can just toggle it on, or if you want to change the theme, then just toggle it off and then go to the light theme option, and then you can choose among the themes here. There are alien blue, mint, trees, and pony theme. So you can see that the theme is changing. Or you can go to dark theme and then change into night or midnight. So there you go. It's as simple as that to change between the modes and themes in Reddit app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.